What's going on everyone, Nathan here from myimtips.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I made $800 plus with Warriorplus. Now it's an affiliate platform. If you're totally new and you don't know about Warriorplus, I'm going to show you all the ins and outs and how I actually made this amount of money here. So to find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about affiliate marketing, making money online, and a lot more. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm going to show you here how I made $800 plus with Warriorplus, which is an affiliate marketing platform. It is of course also for product creators, but we're going to focus on affiliate marketing here because that is how you get started as a beginner. It's a great way to get started to make money online with affiliate marketing as a beginner. I already mentioned it in the past, so I'm going to show you everything inside here. Alright, we have a lot of things to cover. Without further ado, let's go ahead and have a look at it. Okay guys, so first off, I uploaded a few days back here on my other channel, which is Easy Way Web Marketing. If you haven't subscribed to that, make sure you do that as well, on how I made $778. Now, one day later, I promoted another offer and I got some sales, so it actually went to $800 plus. So it's pretty good amount for a week. I think if you're promoting as an affiliate marketer to get started, especially if you're a beginner. So I wanted to share it with you and how you can actually copy more or less here the exact same strategy and do the same thing here. So basically, if we start off with the proof here, let me just refresh it. There you go. You can see it's 117 the last 7 days. Alright, so how it looks is actually, this is how it looks when you come and arrive to warriorplus.com. You can see here, if I scroll down a little bit, of course we're talking about affiliate marketing, but also if you want to create a product of your own and upload it, you can do it here on Warriorplus. Now Warriorplus are mainly targeted for make money online products actually, and some softwares as well. So basically you create an account here, and when you log in, you can see here that on the left side you have actually top products that is selling today. There is a top 10 chart here. There is the yesterday, there is the last 7 days and the last 30 days. Now I actually like to have a look at this because it's a good indicator on what is hot right now. Keep in mind that usually this is an ongoing launch actually, so a lot of people promote this product. So if you are totally new to Warriorplus, you might not get accepted here to promote this product. So you have to wait until the launch is over. Unfortunately, it is like that. So we have to accept that, of course. But we are interested to go to the section where it says offers here in the affiliate section. And you can see here we have a lot of offers here that we can promote. And here are something we want to have a look at, like release date, sales, conversion rate, visitor value, average sale, and refund rate. This is something also to keep in mind. If it is a new offer, you won't see so high refund rate, but a few days later on you will see if it is high refund rate, maybe it is not a good idea to promote that offer actually. So if I scroll down here, we have the pulse score, of course, the higher the better. It is a top popular product here. We can see that there is a lot of products, and how it works, you can see I have some links here that I promoted. And this is one that is very hot right now as I'm recording the video here, the Christmas promotion, commission bundle, promote all week. So I'm going to open this in a new tab here, okay? And here we can find out some details about the offer. Now what I like to do is, besides have a look at the stats here, I want to have a look at the JV page because we can find some really cool details about this product, what it is about. They are talking about the launch here, some bonuses and stuff like that. And also something that is very good, we have actually email swipes and graphics that can help us promote the product. So we have ready-made emails, which is very useful here as well. So you can have a look at it. You can see that there are some upsells, which makes you more money. Of course, you earn more commissions. Now this is over, so we don't have to actually have a look at it. And as I said earlier also, if the contest is over, you might have a bigger chance to actually get approved here. So if I go back here and scroll down, we can see some popular products. So I'm just going to illustrate here on how it works. Okay, so let's say, for example, we want to promote this super bundle product. Now I have already had a look at it, at what the offer is all about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the request. And when you hit the request approval, you need actually to tell them here why you want to promote the product. I say that you should be honest and say, hi, I'm new to Warriorplus, because here's the thing, when you apply for it, they will see if you are a new or not, okay? If you tell me that you can promote this and you haven't sold even one product, then you're lying and I won't accept you. It works like that. I know it because I have products here on Warriorplus, so I know how it works. Trust me on this one. But let's say that, and I would like to promote this offer to my list. Okay, this is important. It also depends a little bit here. For example, let's say that you are saying that you have 50,000 Twitter followers and stuff like that. They might not trust you on it. So that is why it's so important. Of course, if you have an email list, it converts better. So it is much better to say it something like this. And all you have to do is actually, if you have something else to write, something to refer to, your blog or something like that I can have a look at, it will help, of course, also. And then all you have to do is actually hit the request offer. I'm not going to do it here right now. And then it's going to be green like this. So basically, just going to illustrate here an example. There is your link, and you can grab that link now and use that link actually, okay? So I'm going to copy it here. All right, so I'm copying it here in Notepad, and here is a cool trick. You can actually track here to say what the sales are coming from. So if it is example email, it is going to show up in your stats here. You can enter whatever you want here. Just make sure you have the slash in place there. You can have a code, for example, or whatever it is, how you track. Okay, we're going to talk about tracking here real soon also. But that is how it works, and we're going to use that, of course, that link. Now, a great way to track, I always said about this, you should be tracking testing every single day. You should do split test and stuff like that. You can do that with ClickMagick, and there is a 14-day free trial for that. I'm going to leave a link right here below. Now basically the next thing we need is, of course, we need to have a landing page in place because we want to build an email list here, and this is one example of my landing page. Here's another one, more simple actually design, without any design, and many times it converts better than actually the more complex landing page. Now you can build landing pages. Here is more advanced landing page with some content. Of course, this is what you're going to see if you check out my #1 recommendation right here below. You can build this kind of sites with ClickFunnels and of course complete funnels as well. There is a 14-day free trial to this too. Have a look at it in my description below here. You can see here you can build a funnel like squeeze page, sales page, order page, thank you page, bridge page, or whatever you want. All right, so tons of ready-made templates. It will save you a huge amount of time. Now, of course, we need to have an autoresponder. We want to have this as automated as possible. An autoresponder is a must when you build an email list. Aweber is the #1 recommendation. I tested all the autoresponders out there. This is the most beginner friendly and has the best conversion rates and opt-in rates and stuff like that, and open rates actually and click-through. So don't hesitate, just do it, okay? The next thing is you want to have an follow-up sequence. I talked this in another video here on my channel, how important it is to have this in place. But you can, of course, also broadcast. So if you're going to actually be more specific about the product, like the Christmas bundle there, you can have a look at the email swipe that was for that. You can actually copy it and send a broadcast that is specific targeted to that. Otherwise, you can use your follow-up sequence, and of course you need to have your links in place there. So now when we have everything in place there, the next thing is of course traffic. So how do you get traffic? Well, I'm going to show you actually on how I got traffic regarding these offers here. And that is with solo ads. Now I've been a solo ad vendor since 2013. It works if you know how to work it. You can see here on my page, I have customers who come back and purchase traffic from me regularly, okay? Here you see some proof that they convert my solo ads. So what you have to keep in mind here is that you need to be consistent, okay? One day it might not convert, the next day you might get 5, 10, 15 sales. So this is the secret with solo ads. You need to be consistent, you need to purchase on a regular basis. One campaign might not convert, the next one might do net profit and very well also. So you never know about it, but you need to be consistent, and you can't just go and purchase 50 visitors and be rich, okay? It doesn't work like that, so keep that in mind. But if you are consistent and you purchase on a regular basis, you are going to profit with it. I've seen it many times with a lot of affiliate marketers, how they make money by simply purchasing solo ads, nothing else there. And one of the most popular platforms that you can actually go and purchase traffic from is udemy.com. So you can go to the section here where it says find sellers. Now I set this to maximum 60 cents. This is an important factor. We have to set it to at least 30% sales, because if they have got sales, okay, if people have reported that they got sales with the vendors here, it means that they have buyers in the list, so you will probably get some sales there. Here we have Jason, for example. I know this guy, Kuitim. I buy from him regularly. Highly recommended also vendor. And how it works is that, let's take this for example here, okay? You pick how many visitors. As I said, go for at least 200 there. And if you don't have a swipe in place, you can just actually send Tim here a message and tell him that you don't have a swipe, but you might have an email swipe there in place with your tracking link. So all you have to do, the next thing is you add to cart and you purchase the traffic, and they will start to deliver to you whatever is actually estimated. You can see here it is for 13th of December, for example. So that is how it works. Super easy, and I'm going to leave a link to Udemy as well below here. So you're going to find a link to all the sources I mentioned here in this video. There you have it. I think that this is actually one of the best and easiest way to get started with affiliate marketing. If you want to find out more about this, make sure you check out my #1 recommendation right here below. If you got some value here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell. Make sure to check out the other video recommendation also. And I'll see you in the next one.